Hey guys, welcome to Ira channel. My name is Olek, and today we're gonna go over the Luckeep C23, or also known as Benifore C23 model, because this bike made by Luckeep brand. So I already did review on this bike, but today I want just to show you how two adults will look on this bike, because in review I didn't do it because the seat arrived 1 week later, since it's a brand new bike was, so they sent separately. Currently, if you order, it may arrive all together or maybe also separately, about a week apart. So let me increase the seat level. So here's how I will look by myself on this bike. Actually, I can go even higher if I want to. But what I like about this bike is easy to pedal, easy to get on and off the bike. And also the best feature of this bike, you can ride with your friend, with your kid, with your wife, girlfriend, whoever, on the back of the seat. This seat back support can be adjusted to get closer or further when you install it. So currently it's all the way down, like up. So I will show you in this video as we ride with my wife. And what I like about that, it's still easy to pedal this bike, because most of them e-moped style bicycles, when you have somebody on the back of the seat, with you riding, it would be hard to pedal, because the pegs, everything would be close up, and you would have to basically just use the throttle. With this bike, you can use the throttle only. It has enough power to carry both of you to the top speed, about at least 25 miles an hour. Or you can simply pedal as well, so you're gonna get a better range, also workout, and it's fun to ride together. So this is the best, most affordable transportation, and that's why I want to make this short video, so you can see what this bike C23 is capable to do. So it can be ridden with two people, adult or the child. Let me get closer now to show you how the pegs looks and why this bike is better than some other bicycles. So here's a difference. Some of the pegs going to the side, this one going down. So by putting them down, my wife said it's much better, your feet will not slip, so it's more safer. I noticed some of the e-moped style has foldable to the side, which very kind of different and sometimes maybe even dangerous. So this one is good. It also comes with derailleur guard, so you don't have to worry that somebody on the back will damage the derailleur. Also, there's enough protection. It's a solid frame which can handle 140 pounds. That's what I was told by Luckeep. It has comfortable seat for the rider and also for the back seat rider, and also the back support, so you don't have to worry someone will fall off from the bike. So they can sit and hold you if you want to, but they don't have to, because they do very comfortable. Again, I would recommend someone who is probably 8 years old and above, depending on the size of the child, okay, because the child needs to reach the feet with the feet, and it's pretty much very stable bike as well. So it's a 20 by 3 inches wheels, and it's more off-road tires, so you can even ride it off-road if you want to. It comes with a very bright headlight. It's a fully loaded 7-speed shifter, 5-pedal assist. Handlebar is pretty wide as well. It is foldable, so you can basically, this is foldable bike, you can put in your trunk, take it to the beach and ride together with two people. A lot of people looking for this type of bicycles. It comes with turn signals, headlight, horn, bright display with NFC card to turn on as well, everything. So again, if you want to see full video, I will have it in the description, but this is just want to show you how the two people will look on this bike. And I think this is one of the best, most affordable two-seater electric bicycle, which is very good quality as well, by Luckeep, and also known as Benifore, because they have second brand Benifore, which they make as well. Thank you guys for joining this video. Please hit like, subscribe, and if you decide to buy one of this bicycle, I will have a link in description with extra discount. And I'll see you guys in the next video.